Analytics. In this lecture, I will show you how you manage your analytics in Shopify. Okay, we are here at the dashboard at Analytics and Dashboard. And here you see your total sales, how many you have sold, and your sales. So that's great. And we jump into the next section. Here you see how many visitors there are online at the moment. Okay, right over here you see your returning customer rate. That's how many people come back to your store. And right over here you see your online store conversion rate. You can see how many people added it to the cart, how many people reached the checkout, and how many sessions there are converted. So right over here you see the average order value. This is the average of what people buy on your site, the average order. And right over here you see your total orders over all the time. So you got many more options, and you can click on view report. Feel free to look around a little bit. So this is your dashboard in Shopify. Okay, it's looking all great and it's looking all good in my opinion. So yeah, we can jump to the next lecture. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks.